How you doing, everyone? My name is Dwayne Crawford, and I'm here with a little financial information that everyone should know. Yes, everyone should know this information that I am about to share with you today. Hey, as you can see in here, I have this sheet in front of you. The sheet is called The Bloody Mess. Yes, The Bloody Mess. Because what I'm about to share with you is truly a bloody mess. Yeah, Friday the 13th, Freddy Krueger, all that stuff, a bloody mess. All right, this is like Shark Week right now, all right? They coming after the blood because blood is in the water. All right, then, because here's what I want you to understand about the bloody mess. The bloody mess is talking about credit cards and credit card companies, how they attack you for your money, how they get money out of you. All right, so I want to share something real quick with you. All right, interest is the penalty you pay for the right to own something in advance that you couldn't afford. Think about it. You go buy a car. You don't have the money for the car. You go to the bank to borrow money from the bank. The bank then attaches interest to that car, to that money that you borrow, right? So now, in order to get this money, the bank's going to make some money off of you. So that's interest. That's how the bank is making that money, off of that interest. To own something, the car, in advance that you couldn't afford. So just understand that. You got to understand that concept, all right? So this concept, we're talking about the bloody mess, as I said, it's bloody. We're talking about credit cards and how credit card companies get money out of you. All right, let's go. Just say you owe $5,000 on a credit card. How many people you know owe $5,000 or even more on a credit card? All right, this can work with any numbers, but we're gonna start with $5,000. All right, you pay $100 a month towards that credit card. Right, you paying $100 a month on that credit card at a 21% interest rate. How many cars you know out here with a 21%? A lot of cars, a lot of people are paying 21% interest rate on their cards right now as we speak. Alright? So your monthly interest rate, this is how you get it. 12%, which is your credit card, divided by 12 months in a year equals to 1.75%. Alright? Your interest payment, this is how you get your interest payment. You take that 1.75%, move it 2 decimals to the left, and you get 0.0175 times that $5,000 that you owe on that card. All right, that equals to $87.50. This money is interest. This is money that is going to the interest, not the principal of the $5,000 that you owe on that card. Out of that $100, you're paying $87.50 straight to the bank. Straight to the bank. You see what I'm saying? This bloody mess, all right? And then what that means is you leaving a principal of $12.50 that goes toward that $5,000. Only $12.50 is going to pay on that $12,000. All right. In reality, so $5,000 divided by $12.50. This is the principal. The money that's going towards the principal equals to 400 months. 400 months. All right. So your sentence, your prison term is 400 months. Divided by 12 months in a year equals to 33 years. 33 years to pay on a credit card. 33 years to pay on a credit card. Just think about it. You took $5,000 and you went and bought a sofa love seat set, or a bedroom set, or even toys for the kids. You never know. All right? 33 years to pay $5,000. And guess what? Your bank, remember, $87.50, which is the interest, which is paid towards the bank, right? That's 400 months. Remember, 33 years, 400 months, 33 years. Guess how much the bank makes? $35,000 off of you for $5,000. $35,000 for $5,000. That's an expensive couch set. That's a expensive bedroom set. That's an expensive toy that you better pay for $5,000 for your child. Think about it, people. This is credit card. These are how they work, right? You can put these numbers in however you want it based off, but this is how they work. You gotta understand this, all right? This is Freddy Krueger. This is Shark Week. This is Shark Week right here, all right? So, again, this is information that we all should know, all right? But anyway, If you like what I just shared, I can always be reached. Just text Bloody Mix to 910-745-7299. That's Bloody Mix. 910-745-7299 to learn a lot more than this. All right. So, because this information is the information that everyone should know, and we love to share. So, if you want more information on how to keep more of your money, how to have your money working for you, and not you always working for me, reach out. All right, then, and just start with the Bloody Mix. All right, then. Peace.